Welcome to Techlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize page on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word. After that open up any document. Now from here to customize your page, just click on design tab option. That's it. At the corner you can see page background and you can find page color and page border option. You can use these two options to customize your page. Suppose if you want to change your page color, just click on page color option, and from here you can choose any color as you like. If I select it, and that's it. Also if you want to add page border, just click on borders option. From here you can choose border, page border and shading. If I select page border, from here select your page border style. If I select this, and then you can choose box, shadow, 3D, custom. I'm just select box. From here choose your border color. If I select red color and then click on OK, and that's it. You can see in my page border has been added successfully. And that is how you can customize page on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.